Welcome to U.S. Immigration TV. Well, I have some breaking news. Administrative closure is back. And this could be great news for people who are in deportation proceedings because it could mean their case could be temporarily closed or paused rather than their proceeding to trial. Now, you see, the Trump administration had banned the use of administrative closure, but on July 15, 2021, Attorney General Garland overruled the Trump administration's position and brought back administrative closure. Okay, first of all, what is administrative closure? Administrative closure is and I quote, a docket management tool that is used to temporarily pause removal proceedings. It does not terminate or dismiss the case, but rather removes a case from an immigration judge's active calendar or from the board's, which is the BIA, docket. And immigration judges have employed administrative closure for many decades. So you see, it is similar to prosecutorial discretion, and I've put out videos before about prosecutorial discretion. The difference or the similarity is that prosecutorial discretion is when the prosecutors or the trial attorneys seek to have a case closed, dismissed, etc. Administrative closure is when the judge does so. Administrative closure has also served to facilitate the exercise of prosecutorial discretion. It allows government counsel to request that certain low priority cases be removed from immigration judges' active calendars or the board's docket, thereby allowing adjudicators or the trial attorneys to focus on higher priority cases. In other words, administrative closure is a calendar management tool used by the immigration courts, enabling them to prioritize higher priority cases by putting on hold or on the back burner lower priority cases. So at present, as you know, the immigration courts are backlogged with hundreds of thousands of cases because the Trump administration had basically said, let's deport everyone. And there just are simply not enough judges or courtrooms to efficiently manage the caseload. But you know, there are some deportation cases that are more serious than others. You know, the felons, the terrorists, and they should be tried the soonest. So with administrative closure, courts can now, effectively close certain low priority cases and put them back on the shelves, which also clears up the court's calendar, allowing the courts to handle the more serious cases right away. Administrative closure has been used to pause cases while, for example, the USCIS adjudicates a pending petition. So let me give you an example. A person is in deportation or removal proceedings, and they have a spouse or child who's a U.S. citizen, and they have petitioned them, but the petition has not yet been approved. So if the petition is approved, the person would then have a form of relief or a way to get a green card and save themselves from deportation. So in such a situation, administrative closure would be a great benefit, because rather than having the judge proceed with the removal proceedings and order the person removed right now, administrative closure could put the case back on the shelf or possibly allow them to adjust in front of USCIS. Administrative closure has also been used to allow a person to pursue a provisional waiver if they're not eligible to adjust status in the U.S. Or in some cases, the case is just simply a low priority case and the judge could decide to close it for now, taking away, of course, the threat and the fear of a deportation hanging over that person's head. So if you are in removal proceedings, but your case could be considered a low priority case, you should consult with an attorney who can evaluate your situation and determine whether you might be eligible for administrative closure, if it would benefit your case, and the attorney could also help you package and present the request to the courts or the prosecutors. But I want to be clear, not every case is eligible either for prosecutorial discretion or administrative closure. But this is great news, as now the Biden administration is further reversing the Trump administration's harsh immigration policies. Before this recent development, the government's policy was basically to proceed with every single deportation case until conclusion. Do not continue or postpone, and do not administratively close any case. Now at least there's renewed hope and promise. We will continue to post videos keeping you updated on immigration news and developments. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'm Michael Gurfinkel, and thank you for watching U.S. Immigration TV.